Looking to take your health game to the next level? Whether you're just getting into juicing or a seasoned pro, a cold-pressed juicer can make all the difference. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best cold-pressed juicers, perfect for nutrient-rich, smooth, and delicious homemade juice. Let's dive in. Number 5 on our list is the Iuipi cold-pressed juicer. The Iuipi cold-pressed juicer is designed to simplify and enhance your juicing experience with a focus on efficiency, nutrition, and convenience. Featuring a 5.3-inch extra-large feed chute, this juicer eliminates the need for tedious chopping by allowing whole fruits and vegetables to be fed in seconds. Coupled with a generous 2-liter hopper capacity, it can handle 4 times more produce in a single batch, making it an ideal choice for meal prep and busy mornings. This significantly reduces your preparation time, saving up to 15 minutes daily compared to standard juicers. Utilizing advanced cold press technology at a slow 50 RPM, the Iuipi juicer extracts juice gently to preserve the maximum nutrients, vitamins, and enzymes from your produce. This masticating process yields up to 99% juice, offering silky smooth, pulp-free juice without clogging. Whether you're juicing leafy greens like spinach and celery or harder fruits and vegetables, the machine ensures you get nutrient-packed shots in every sip, boosting the health benefits of your juice. The juicer operates quietly, producing less than 55 decibels of noise comparable to a normal conversation thanks to its powerful yet quiet 300 watts high-torque motor. This means you can enjoy fresh juice early in the morning or late at night without disturbing anyone. Its compact and sleek design fits comfortably in any kitchen, apartment, or even an RV, making it a versatile appliance for various living spaces. Cleanup is quick and hassle-free with an auto pulp ejection system and a drip-free design that keeps your countertops clean. The juicer consists of only 3 detachable parts and comes with a cleaning brush, enabling you to finish cleaning in under 1 minute. Number 4 is the LQZ Cold Press Juicer. The LQZ Cold Press Juicer is designed to offer a safe, efficient, and nutritious juicing experience, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features. Its large feed chute with a bladeless design ensures that the machine stops automatically when the lid is opened, prioritizing user safety while boosting juicing efficiency. Operating at a gentle 50 RPM, this masticating juicer employs a multi-stage progressive extrusion and low-speed fine grinding process. This approach minimizes damage to the cellular structure of fruits and vegetables, significantly reducing heat buildup and oxidation. As a result, the juicer preserves more nutrients and the natural flavors of the ingredients, producing juice that is rich and fresh. Equipped with a powerful 350-watt motor, the juicer easily handles a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. Its food-grade screw juicing assembly, combined with a double-layer precision filter, efficiently separates pulp fibers, resulting in smooth, delicate juice. The juicer achieves an impressive extraction efficiency of up to 99%, maximizing the yield from every ingredient. Cleaning the LQZ cold press juicer is straightforward due to its simple structure comprising only 3 main parts. The included special cleaning tool further simplifies assembly, disassembly, and maintenance, making the entire process quick and hassle-free. For optimal operation, the juicer comes with a troubleshooting guide. It advises ensuring that the handle is precisely aligned with the starter button and the lid is securely closed before use. Should any issues arise beyond these steps, customer support is readily available to assist. Overall, the LQZ Cold Press Juicer combines innovative design and thoughtful features to deliver a safe, nutrient-preserving, and easy-to-use juicing solution for health-conscious users. Coming in at number 3 is the Ypone Cold Press Juicer. The Ypone Cold Press Juicer is designed to bring convenience and nutrition together in a powerful kitchen appliance. Featuring a large 5.8-inch feed chute, this juicer allows whole vegetables and fruits to be inserted without shredding, significantly reducing preparation time. Safety is prioritized with a smart lock function that stops the machine immediately if the lid is open during operation, ensuring peace of mind for the whole family. This juicer uses a slow cold press mechanism operating at 55 revolutions per minute, which helps preserve the natural nutrients and flavors of the produce. Unlike traditional high-speed juicers that generate heat and cause oxidation, the low-speed squeezing technology retains maximum vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants, offering a healthier juice with original taste intact. Equipped with dual strainers featuring a fine 0.3mm mesh, the Ypone cold press juicer filters juice twice, minimizing clogging and leaving no residue. This design achieves a high juice yield of up to 99%, ensuring that every drop extracted is packed with nutrition. The advanced strainer system also contributes to a smoother juice texture and less waste. Ease of use is another highlight of this juicer. It can be quickly assembled and disassembled in just 3 steps with its 3 main parts. Operation is simple with a one-button control system. Additionally, the juicer comes with a push rod and cleaning brush, making cleanup effortless and saving valuable time and effort after juicing. Built for durability, the Ypone cold press juicer features a heavy-duty outer shell that is sturdy yet easy to clean. Side vents help prevent overheating during prolonged use, protecting the motor and extending the appliance's lifespan. This careful design ensures the juicer can withstand frequent use while maintaining optimal performance. Overall, the Ypone cold press juicer offers a user-friendly, efficient, and safe juicing experience, with an emphasis on preserving nutrition and ease of maintenance. Its combination of thoughtful features makes it a practical addition for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juices at home. Number 2 is the Luixxn cold press juicer. The Luixxn cold press juicer is designed to bring simplicity, safety, and efficiency into your daily juicing routine. Featuring a knife-free design, this juicer automatically stops running as soon as the lid is opened, prioritizing user safety while maintaining seamless operation. This thoughtful safety feature not only prevents accidents, but also contributes to a smoother juicing experience. One of the standout features of the Luixxn juicer is its large 5.8-inch diameter feed tank, which is 3 times bigger than standard models. This generous size allows users to insert whole apples, vegetables, and other produce directly without the need for pre-cutting or shredding. As a result, juicing becomes faster and less labor-intensive, saving valuable time in the kitchen. Powered by a 350-watt motor and employing a slow cold press technology at 50 revolutions per minute, the juicer utilizes multi-stage extrusion to extract juice gently. This slow pressing minimizes heat generation and oxidation during the process, preserving the maximum nutrients and the original flavor of the fruits and vegetables. The careful design ensures you enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juice every time. To enhance usability, the Luixxn cold press juicer includes an anti-blocking and reverse function. If the juicer encounters any blockage during operation, simply pressing the reverse button will rotate the mechanism in the opposite direction to clear the jam, ensuring uninterrupted juicing without frustration. In terms of maintenance, the juicer is user-friendly with only 3 main parts to assemble or disassemble. It comes equipped with a dedicated cleaning brush, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. This ease of use encourages regular cleaning and maintenance, which helps extend the life of the appliance. Additionally, the juicer comes with a troubleshooting guide to help users address common operational issues. Ensuring the handle is precisely aligned with the start button and the lid is firmly closed are key steps to proper function. If any problems persist after these checks, customer support is readily available to assist. Overall, the Luixxn cold press juicer offers a convenient and efficient way to enjoy fresh, healthy juice while prioritizing safety and ease of use. Its innovative features make it a reliable kitchen companion for anyone looking to improve their juicing experience. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Eanoruus cold press juicer. The Eanoruus cold-press juicer is designed to bring convenience and efficiency to your juicing routine, combining innovative technology with user-friendly features. One of its standout characteristics is the large 5.8-inch feed chute, which allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for chopping. This not only saves preparation time, but also makes the juicer safer and more accessible for use by the entire family, including children. Powered by a robust 400-watt motor, the juicer efficiently handles tough ingredients, delivering a high juice yield by effectively separating pulp from juice. This process ensures that the juice extracted is purer, better tasting, and retains more of the original nutrients found in fresh produce. The slow juicing mechanism works through a powerful masticating technology featuring a 7-stage spiral auger. This design minimizes heat generation and oxidation during extraction, which helps preserve the vitamins and enzymes, resulting in 30% more juice and a richer flavor profile. The machine's double-layer filter system further enhances juice quality by deeply separating slag and juice, reducing clogging and leaving little to no residue. This meticulous separation process means that every drop of juice is utilized and contributes to a smoother, fresher beverage. This juicer's slow cold press technology plays a key role in maintaining the integrity of the fruit and vegetable cells. By reducing cell damage during juicing, it limits oxidation and frothiness, delivering a fresher and more nutritious drink compared to traditional juicers. For optimal use, the manufacturer provides a clear troubleshooting guide to address common issues. Ensuring the handle is aligned correctly with the start button and the lid is tightly secured are important steps to guarantee smooth operation. If problems persist after these checks, customer support is readily available to assist. Overall, the Eanoruus cold press juicer combines powerful performance, advanced extraction technology, and thoughtful design to offer a convenient way to enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juices at home.